Every year, millions of people hear one terrifying word: cancer. Because of this, many believe cancer is a disease created by modern life, fast food, pollution, chemicals, and stress. But what if that idea is completely wrong? What if cancer existed long before cities, factories, or even humans? The truth hidden inside ancient bones tells a story that stretches back millions of years, changing everything we think we know about this deadly disease. Most people assume cancer is a modern problem. After all, ancient humans didn't smoke cigarettes, breathe industrial pollution, or eat processed food. Their lives were simple, active, and closely connected to nature. So it's easy to believe they rarely faced diseases like cancer. It sounds logical until science begins uncovering evidence buried deep beneath the ground. When researchers examined ancient skeletons and fossils, they found something unexpected. Tiny holes, abnormal bone growth, and damaged tissues revealed signs of tumors in individuals who lived thousands of years ago. Even more surprising, scientists discovered evidence of cancer in Egyptian mummies dating back over 3,000 years. But the story doesn't stop there. Fossils of dinosaurs, creatures that disappeared about 66 million years ago, also show signs of bone cancers such as osteosarcoma. Cancer wasn't waiting for modern civilization. It was already here, long before humans built their first villages. How is that even possible? The answer lies inside every living cell. Your body contains trillions of cells that constantly divide to repair and replace old ones. Occasionally, tiny mistakes happen during this process. Most are harmless, and the body usually repairs them. But sometimes several mutations escape those natural defenses. When damaged cells continue growing without stopping, they form cancer. This process doesn't depend on smartphones, pollution, or modern lifestyles. It is a biological risk that has existed ever since complex multicellular life evolved. So why does cancer seem far more common today? The biggest reason is surprisingly simple. People now live much longer. Ancient humans often died from infections, injuries, starvation, or harsh environments long before age-related diseases had time to develop. Today, improved sanitation, vaccines, surgery, and medicine allow millions to reach old age, giving cancer more time to appear. On top of that, advanced scans, biopsies, and laboratory tests can detect cancers that ancient people would never have recognized. This doesn't mean modern life has no influence. Smoking, excessive sunlight, certain viruses, obesity, alcohol, and environmental pollutants can all increase the risk of developing particular cancers. However, these factors usually accelerate or increase the chances of a disease that already existed, not create it from nothing. In many ways, modern lifestyles change the odds, but they did not invent the disease itself. Scientists are now studying cancer's evolutionary history to discover why it has survived for millions of years. By comparing tumors found in humans, animals, and ancient fossils, researchers hope to understand how cancer evolves and how the body naturally fights it. Those discoveries could inspire future treatments that are smarter, earlier, and more effective than anything available today. The next time someone calls cancer a modern disease, remember the silent evidence hidden inside ancient bones and prehistoric fossils. Cancer is older than civilization itself. Understanding its ancient past may be the very key that helps humanity shape a healthier future.